Yeah, hello, Martin from Baker's Timber Buildings. Wanted to show you this dedicated gym building that we completed a few months ago, just back in the area in West Sussex. Thought I'd show you a few things that I'd like to take you around and show you. You'll notice how tall this one is. Now this slightly works differently. This was a dedicated height internally to make some of the gym equipment work. So we actually work backwards from that. The building's just around 3 meters tall, and because of that we've gone and got planning permission from the local council on behalf of the customer to make sure this is within all the rules. I'm going to take you around and show you a few things on the outside. This customer had anthracite colour UPVC doors but timber windows and timber cladding, and this south facing wall is a classic show of what happens when you have the standard timber. Even though the best shellac knotting in the world, you see these knots are bleeding through. Now this technically isn't a problem, it just doesn't look necessarily the part, and we're going to just do another top coat on that. But that's the difference between going for the tricoya cladding and actually having just the regular timber painted. I've got to say that's the worst aspect because it's south facing. The rest of the building, if I take you around here, I'm sure it almost looks brand new still. And this building's around 6 months old or so. But as you can see, inside of that, we have worked out the measurements of this bit of trim equipment, and this is proper kitted out here. This is a full-blown gym running machine. Big weights area, cross trainer and a cycling machine. Nice large TV to make the training hours hopefully disappear. The clients on this one done their own electrics in here, and we've just done the decking and the building and the base on this one. So they had their own local electrician that worked along a bit. So yeah, so sure you agree it's quite a nice looking building. It's quite tall, but does a great job of fitting that unit in there, and that was the main purpose of the building. 16 foot wide and 12 foot deep, a nice size, and even with this extra height I think still got a lovely stance on it. But yeah, there you go with the timber cladding on it. That is sometimes the issue with timber cladding. Like I say, it's nothing we can't get around. The client's going to do a top coat treatment and we can just knock back some of the resin that's pulled out of it, but it's also the reason why the tricoya cladding is so popular, because of that reason. If this kind of garden room, garden gyms or any kind of garden building are of interest to you, feel free to give me a call on 01444 247 192. Thank you.